Hello, Nicole here with Gorilla Safety. Today I'll be showing you how to send drivers' eRODs, or Record of Duty status, to Department of Transportation officers when they're stopping you for a roadside inspection. The first thing you want to do is log into your Gorilla Fleet Intelligence application and navigate to your driver's dashboard. Once on your driver's dashboard, next to Messages is the Documents tab. From here you will see your daily logs and the option to send a log. Clicking Send Logs allows you to enter a routing code to send directly to the Department of Transportation officer. This routing code is provided by the officer giving your inspection. This completes the tutorial on how to send drivers' eRODs to the Department of Transportation. For questions regarding features in the Gorilla Safety app, please visit www.gorillasafety.com.